Fireworks of My Heart Chinese drama starts on July 5th, every Monday to Sunday on IG for 40 episodes.
Yan as Yan, Jian as Xu Qin,
Firefighter Yan and Emergency Doctor Xu Qin were separated by family opposition when they were younger. Now 10 years later, they meet again due to their professions. After experiencing life and death together, they manage to find their way back, working together and encouraging each other. They acknowledge each other's individual growth after years apart, but will they be able to overcome the obstacles in their path this time to stay together?
Unwilling as Jian, Shun as Yan Xu Qin, as Liming, Jian as Unwilling, as Aunt, Ming as Uncle, Fan as Ming Jian, Lin as Mother Jian, Ming Asai as Yan Chi, Yan Tong as Jian